Hi, in this video we'll learn about how to do regression on transform data. What does the transform data means? Uh, yeah, on regression on transform data. What does the transform means? Transform means there is no relationship. Um, there is no relationship between is no eh, between the input and oh, okay, so what is the call? There is no relationship, or there is a little bit of relationship with input and other, predictor variable. So by this type of data is called as the transform data. So how to make the relationship between them and make it more predictable or more significance. How to do these things? We'll learn this video here. So suppose your linear model is like this. Suppose P1 and regression model LM making this thing to with the data of like um, with the data of yes which data okay, we'll use the attitude to take in. So there is no relationship, so you can make the input variable with the log term that the data is equal to attitude data, and you want to use the data frame of the rating, and along with that you want to make the predictions with attitude data of the predictor like complaints. So you'll give the values here. Okay, so if you want to do something else like square of the rating, so suppose p2 is something else. Sorry, I'm copying these things to be better. Copy this thing and p2 the data set. If you want to square it, sorry, sqrt square of the attitude, this thing you can do this thing as well, or you can do log rating and log of the both data. So okay, so make it 3 and give the log form of this one as well. Sorry, log form of this one as well. If you give this thing, so sorry, yeah, so 3 of the datasets will be fine. Now if you see the summary of p1, so it will give something that f score values is now 55. It is not so good now. As summary of p2, suppose you give this value and 57, and summary of p3 if you use, so it will give 55. So you can see for different things you are getting the different value. So make the relationship or establish the relationship between the input and output variables. We are actually making this relationship that when the data set is transformed data, there is no relationship. So we will understand these things more when we'll go to the next section, that the best power of transformations. Which transformation we will use? Is it the square or log or both? Log for both, you don't know. So for that reasons we are following the best transform dataset using box cox procedure. And in between I will take it in a second that please like, share and subscribe the video, because you single people is a great inspiration for me. Your single click will motivate me to make others video. If you want to more about or know more about, please give your second to put the comment in the comment section or give the suggestion to improve the video quality or something else. So how to use or how to choose the best transformation to which will be useful for that, so we will teach in the next session of video, is called the finding the best power of transformations. So best power of transformations you can find using the box cox procedure. There's a procedure, this is function box cox. By using this function you can find this thing. So let's follow the next video.